Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul team.
And Lana Wynn.
And welcome to our latest listing. Now we're in Campbell on the border of San Jose, and the nice thing about this listing is that it's very versatile. Not only is it a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2356 square feet of living space, but it's got a very unique floor plan.
It's newly remodeled with a contemporary twist, and then also you have a master downstairs, plus a master bedroom upstairs, also near the Prune Yard and Campbell downtown, and it's Freeway 17.
Now, if you're looking for a space that fits your multi-generational family or looking for additional rental income, then this is the perfect home for you. Come on in and take a look inside.
I'm here in the living room, and what's great about this space is you have bay windows looking outside with lots of natural light that comes in, large baseboards, recessed lighting, and right here you can actually see the kitchen and the eating area at the same time.
Now, one of my favorite features about this kitchen is that you've got a nice built-in oven as well as a microwave, and then you've also got a stainless steel fridge.
Right, and then what I like about this room is it's very centralized. It's right by the family room as well as the living room, and then you have this great breakfast nook right next door.
Now, in addition, it's also got a gas stovetop, so if you enjoy cooking meals for your family, then this is the perfect kitchen for you. Now I'm here in the great room slash family room, and this is one of my favorite spaces in the house because not only do you have these huge vaulted ceilings, you've also got an enormous skylight that brings a lot of natural light into the space. Now in addition, you've got enough space to put a dining area, and you've also got a refinished fireplace. Also, as you go to the backyard, you can see that this room gives you access. If you're hosting parties and events, you'll have direct access to the backyard for barbecues.
Now the master bedroom is tastefully designed, and you have organizers in the closet as well as this sliding door that goes right in the backyard.
Oh, so one of my favorite features up here is that you can fit a full-size king bed. Now in addition, just like a hotel, this bathroom features not only a shower, toilet combination, but also a jacuzzi spa, as well as double sinks. Now I'm in the upstairs master bathroom, and you look at the versatility of this, you've got a nice, beautiful shower enclosure with a new glass door. And then you've got a little private room here, so if you wanted to enjoy a nice soaking tub to release the stress of the Bay Area, then you can enjoy it. And then this is one of my favorite features, which is the Jack and Jill countertops with beautiful gold fixtures and Kohler sinks. And then for her, you've got a beautiful walk-in closet with a nice sliding barn door.
The backyard is well thought out. You have 2 entertaining areas with a deck as well as a pergola in the back, a shed, and a retaining wall. Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.